Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
But a study released this week found that the Brazilian bird is now extinct in the wild. The Spix's macaw is one of 8 bird species, half of them in Brazil, confirmed extinct or suspected extinct in the report from BirdLife International.
Let's help you make your mark.
Based on their current status as of April 2020, the world's rarest species of parrot is the Spix's macaw, Cyanopsida spixii, which is listed as extinct in the wild according to the International Union for Conservation of Nature (IUCN) Red List.
Let's help you make your mark.
Bahama nuthatches. The Bahama nuthatch is currently the rarest bird in the world as none have been seen since 2018. That year, after an exhaustive search, researchers were delighted to find a pair of Bahama nuthatches together and a few more individuals.
Let's help you make your mark.
A hyacinth macaw will be priced at around $10,000. Sometimes you can find lower-priced hyacinth macaws for $8,000, but at the higher end it's not unheard of for one of these macaws being sold for up to $12,000 or even more.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.